fold the back seats down on your BMW iX3, we have little catches. So we have 3 separate seats to fold, and it's nice because when you press that in there, can you see it comes up with a little red thing here to let you know that it hasn't been locked back into place. So then you can let them drop, or you can slam them back down, and when you slam them back down, the red thing will disappear. To just do this one here, you can press in on here, and that will come down like so. When you do this one here, it will actually take out the right one and the middle one at the same time, but you can choose to do that one. And with this one here, you can see that the catch is just there. But yet, if you have a look, you see, that's up now to warn you that it's not closed properly, so you have to give it a good whack to make sure that the red thing goes back down, and then it's properly home. So it's just this little button just here. So it's just this button just here. So there we go. Thanks for watching.